Let's make the MC number simple. No jargon, just facts. If you've ever wondered what an MC number is and why it's so important, you've come to the right place. First things first, what exactly is an MC number? Well, MC stands for motor carrier, and an MC number is basically a unique identifier assigned to companies that transport goods across state lines in the U.S. Think of it as a passport for commercial vehicles, allowing them to legally operate in interstate commerce. Without it, moving goods from one state to another legally isn't possible. Why do you need one? It's not just bureaucracy. The MC number is key to ensuring that carriers are properly registered, insured, and compliant with regulations. This protects everyone, from the truck drivers to the companies they represent, and most importantly, to you, the customer. It's about ensuring safety and reliability in the transportation industry. Now, getting an MC number can be a bit like running an obstacle course. It's not just about filling out a form and calling it a day. There are applications to complete, requirements to fulfill, and fees to pay. The process can be complex and time-consuming, a bit like assembling a piece of IKEA furniture without instructions. That's where experts come in handy. At Moving Authority, we specialize in navigating the red tape and helping companies breeze through the process. So, how does an MC number differ from a DOT number? The DOT number is like the backbone of your trucking business. It's necessary for operating commercial vehicles that weigh over a certain amount or carry a specific number of passengers. It's about keeping tabs on safety and compliance. The MC number, on the other hand, is more focused on the commercial aspect, especially when you're crossing state lines. You could say the DOT number is your entry ticket, and the MC number is what keeps you in the game. Here's a fun fact. You can have a DOT number without an MC number if you're staying within state lines or handling exempt cargo. But once your wheels start rolling across state borders with non-exempt goods, you've got to have that MC number squared away. In short, the MC number is a critical part of running a legitimate and successful trucking operation. It's your ticket to interstate commerce, ensuring you're playing by the rules and keeping everyone safe on the road. Thanks for sticking with us today. Remember, if you're finding the applications or regulations overwhelming, you're not alone. Moving Authority is here to help. You can visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430 for assistance in getting everything set up smoothly. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and be sure to leave any questions or comments below. Catch you in the next video.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.